What's up? Hope you're having a great day today. It is Money Monday, and today I am letting you know about some incredible news that I want to share with you. I'm really excited about it. So I've been on this kind of vacation mode / working. I really have been working quite a bit, but in Costa Rica, literally in the jungle, we rented an incredible villa, and it's time to get going. And with that, I've got some wild news for you. Like, check out this view. Isn't it wild? I've got some wild news, which is awesome. For all my Canadian friends and family, I am coming north. I'm coming north on the 23rd. I'm going to go spend some time with the family, 23rd of August, that is. And then I'm going to go over to Toronto and I'm going to do filming for 3 days. We have a big air-conditioned trailer coming in and we've got a whole video crew and we're going to be shooting a bunch of content while I'm in Toronto for 3 days straight on new equipment that we're going to be launching, which is super exciting. But I said, I'm going to extend my trip. I'm going to stay till the 7th of September. And the reason why is I have a lot of my Canadian friends and clients and everybody else that wants me to come and spend some time with them. We've been doing it in the States, we've been doing it in Anguilla, and now it's time for Canada, of course. So Canada, get ready. I'm on my way up, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you there in Toronto. Whether you're planning on starting a pavement asset management business or whether you're looking to scale your existing business, on the 5th of September, we are going to get together from 2 o'clock till 8 o'clock p.m. There will be food and drinks available to you, and we will be meeting in the Cambridge, Ontario area, just outside of Toronto, at a golf club that we have there. Coach Rob McKenzie is also going to be there with me, and we're going to be having an incredible time. So if you're considering starting a pavement asset management business, or you're already in the business and you're looking to scale it, please don't hesitate, but click that link that's going to be available to you down in the description or right here on the screen. Wherever it is, there will be a hyperlink, and you can click through to that where you can sign up to be a part of this event that I'm going to be hosting. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. Oh, and by the way, there's also going to be a $5,000 access to the AK Vault that I'm giving you at no cost when you attend that meeting. I also have a couple other surprises while you're there. But if you're wanting to learn about the business and you're wanting to learn how to scale, grow, and crush it and build a future filled with all kinds of abundance and success, I will be sharing a lot of my secrets right there. Click that link.